So this is an update on investing $1 every day in the stock market after 9 months. And surprisingly, the market, it goes up, it goes down. So let's just open the app and let's see how it goes. So we open the app Robinhood, and this is our Roth. As you guys can see, today it's been going down. Now overall this year, we started at 492 and we're currently at 486. As you guys can see, the market hasn't been good with us lately. The market goes up, the market comes down. Our highest point was 506, where we had a gains of $14. And I know what you guys saying, $14, the highest point. It's like, bro, you're nothing, yo. $14 ain't gonna give you anything. But mind you, like I said, $14 and plus the dividends I've gained is just slowly piling up. But the market comes down and we're currently right now we're at 486. And it's mostly due to the economy right now with high inflation rates. There's government issues and so much things going on in the world. And those are usually the reasons why the market gets influenced. If the market goes down, that's usually the best time to buy. And usually only few people really have the opportunity to buy it. For example, in 2019, people that actually invested at that point got tremendous gains out of it. The point is to keep going, being consistent, and only the people that invest overall will actually know the actual results. But like I said, you don't really have to invest a lot of money. I'm not really investing that much. I'm just investing $1 for you guys to see the results. And overall, if the market was doing good, we would have been in a higher point right now. But like I said, you never know when the market's coming up, when the market comes down. Something today could affect tomorrow. The reason why I'm doing this is to show you guys. So whatever happens, and I'm not gonna stop until the beginning of next year because that's where we started. So that being said, let me show you guys the dividends. Let's just scroll down. So for the past 3 months, I've been lying to you guys. It's not $1 anymore. It's actually been $2. So these usually are the two I'm currently working with is VYM. Before anything, I really recommend for you guys to do your research before you invest in anything, because these are just my results. First, do your research so you know what you're getting yourself into. Since I've been investing every single day for the past few months, where our shares are currently at 2.345. Probably gonna say, that's not a lot, but it's a good amount. So dividends, we first started with 82 cents. I know, like I said, it wasn't a lot, and that was with 0.717 shares. So 38 cents for not even a share, that's really tough. And then we just kept going, kept investing, and then it went to 87, which, like I said, it's still not enough. It doesn't seem like nothing, it doesn't matter. Just keep going, keep investing. So we just kept going, and on September 21st, we got paid $1.86. That's almost $2 overall. The dividend almost doubled since that investment. So to say something's working, something must be working. Now let's go to another stock where I was really conflicted into invest in this because it was a new stock. New stocks don't really do that good. But then again, it's from JP Morgan. It's one of the biggest banks in America. I didn't really see that much bad, so I had to just take a risk. And overall, the risk slowly has been paying off because we currently have 3.53 shares. The good thing about this stock is, unlike the VYM where you get paid quarterly, this stock you get paid monthly. So let me show you guys the actual dividend payouts. So on May 4th, we were getting paid 5 cents for the overall amount of shares that we had. 5 cents, and it wasn't even a full share yet. And fast forward 4 months later, I got paid 0.94 cents. And I know what you guys are gonna say, I could get more probably by doing something, but this is just money that you're just sitting on. We went to 25 cents, to 44 cents, to 56 cents, and to 94 cents. And overall, I'm gonna just keep going. I'm not gonna stop. So I'll see you guys in 3 months, which will be a year. since I started this project, and we're gonna see the actual final results over 1 year. And before you invest in any of these stocks, just remember to do your research, and that's it overall. All right, deuces.